Hello there. Are you feeling awesome? Are you unstoppably confident? Do you feel powerful within yourself? Hi, my name is John Ruman. If we have not met before, I'm an international business coach, consultant, and trainer, but also a master in the martial art of Taekwondo. What I would like to do is tell you some details of the event on the 27th, but also, as you see here, I have a testimonial. So you're probably going to read the testimonial, so I might as well go over it with you. This is from a woman that attended a previous women's confidence and self defense workshop. Her name is Nandita. And her most positive takeaway was that she said, knowing that I am awesome. So I would like to encourage you, if you are a woman, and two, if you ever feel like you could have a boost of confidence, or if you feel that you could feel safer on the street, or if you could feel that you simply are more sure of yourself as you walk throughout this world, I would encourage you to come to this workshop. So the self-defense component is about half of it. The other half is confidence, because when you feel awesome, the actions you naturally take will be awesome. And the people who have attended my workshops have, especially this one, have a strong understanding of the value of that. And I'm so glad that this was a positive and actually Nandita's most positive takeaway, because it really can be game changing when you perceive the world differently through a lens that enables you to feel there's possibility, not impossibility. There is an opportunity versus it's just not happening. So I'm so glad to have been a positive aspect in someone's life, but also I would encourage and welcome you and invite you to this workshop. So let me give you the details here. So the details are, this is the 27th of January, which is a Sunday. It starts at 10 a.m. and ends sharply 12 noon. I'm limiting it to 12 spots. For the investment cost, it is $150 prepay and $200 on the day. You do have an online payment option to pay online with credit card. It is located in the Remax Real Estate office in St. Augustine. And clothing wise, you should wear something you can actually move around with. If you're gonna go out to dinner afterwards or something, or lunch afterwards, then just bring a change of clothing. There are a couple rooms in there you can change. And then what else? Oh, after. So let me tell you, this day will actually be 3 events back to back. So 10 to 12 is your self-defense workshop. 12:30 to 1:30 is a lunch and learn with anxiety, stress, and sleep management all tied into one power hour. And then from 2 to 5 is a public speaking workshop. So if you ever felt I want to be more confident and amazing and speak and share the message that I have to the world, I encourage you to do that one as well. So I do offer a discount if you take more than one that day. Several people are, so feel free to join them and you'll be very happy you did. If you have any questions, just shoot me a message in the group or in the my page directly or me directly. However you need to get a hold of me, I'd be happy to answer your questions. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you on this. Bye.